I got this question all the time about which camera, which lens we have to use in dental photography, what's the ideal setup, which lights and which bracket and so on. For me, the ideal setup is consisting of a Nikon D750, of a Tokina 100mm lens, and of course my Molaris bracket with a twin flash from Meike. Now, to be more specific, I've been using the Tokina 100mm in the last 6 years. I had amazing results, and I'm inviting you to see what are the results with the new one, the new 100mm f2.8 Tokina ATX-I. So, in the next moments you will see the pictures, and I really recommend you to use this lens in dental photography. No matter if we talk about portraits, if we talk about close-ups, if we talk about laboratory, intraoral, whatever, you name it, it's ideal for that. I use it all the time.